Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Disney and what caused the stock to surge 14% this past week. Before I do so, let's take a look at the performance and statistics of Disney. So Disney, ticker symbol DIS, past year, up 31.15%. Past 5 years, up 69.95%. Taking a look at the statistics, it's on the higher end of the 52-week range and recently hit all-time highs at $132.70. Currently, it's at $132.05. Market capitalization is at $195 billion. P/E ratio is 18. And dividend yield is 1.437. So the reason why Disney spiked last Thursday is because it announced a new video streaming subscription service that'll help Disney expand globally. And the Disney Plus app includes content from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic, and is very much like Netflix and other video streaming apps. And Disney will launch the Disney Plus app will launch in Western Europe over first and second quarter of fiscal 2020, and Eastern Europe in the first part of fiscal 2021. It'll also launch in Asia Pacific throughout fiscal year 2020, and animated classics that have been in Disney's vault will be available to subscribers on day one. And Pixar films will be available on day one as well, including Toy Story 4 and company animated shorts. So the service will launch in November 12th, 2019 at a price of $6.99 per month with an annual option of $69.99. In terms of projected subscribers, Disney expects 60 to 90 million subscribers by end of fiscal 2024, with 1/3 coming domestically and 2/3 internationally. So Disney will be investing heavily in original content for Disney Plus, and they anticipate to be profitable in 2024. Now, in terms of ESPN Plus, which is also under Disney, they project to have 8 to 12 million subscribers and be profitable in 2023. Hulu, which Disney owns 60% of, projects 40 to 60 million paid subscribers in 2024 and profitability by 2023 or 2024. So initial investments in their streaming services from Disney Plus to ESPN Plus to Hulu, there'll be a big investment initially, but by 2024, they should reach profitability with these applications. And I think it's good that Disney is doing this to push out new technology to make their content easier to access and easier to scale, not just in the States, not just in the United States, but also internationally in different regions. And it'll definitely help Disney grow to the next level. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Disney? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.